Okay, very short recap. We had a great war against Red Upsilon. Don't have much time to show you a lot of replays, but I do want to give one big call out to Jersey Diablo from Red Upsilon. Because really, guy, I really want to talk about all your engineering bases for about half an hour right now. No kidding. You were a great enemy. We messed this up ourselves. We missed a couple of key attacks. And we lost, and it's your own fault. You did a great job. We had a great fun fighting you guys, and we really hope, to do this again sometime, because you were definitely a worthy opponent. Thank you for fighting us this hard, this concentrated. You really gave it all you had. So did we, and we messed up. I missed a couple of important attacks, and that cost us the points. There's no other way to go about it. So I'm showing you this 3-star just as a backdrop for saying that Jersey, I hear where you're coming from, you're right. But in your case, then fine job guys. Hope to see you again next war recap.